everyone, and welcome to this online tutorial on how to hide cameras from the NVR monitor when you logged out of the system. This feature is particularly useful when you need to prevent specific cameras or any number of cameras from being displayed on the NVR monitor, while still ensuring the system continues to record and allowing access via other applications like the Cam2 mobile app or the cloud website. This process is straightforward, so let me walk you through it. Right now, we're viewing the NVR live preview interface on a monitor connected via the HDMI cable. As you can see, we have 4 cameras connected, and all 4 are currently being displayed. To get started, click on the menu icon in the bottom left corner. Just out of interest, we can see that we're logged into the NVR. Let's navigate to the settings where we can choose which cameras will be displayed or hidden in the live preview when we've logged out. Click on Settings, then go to Accounts and Permissions, and under Security section, select Preview on Logout. Now you'll see a list of all cameras connected to the NVR, allowing you to choose which cameras should be hidden or visible when logged out. For this example, I'll choose to hide the Z632 camera. After making your selection, hit Apply. Let's simulate logging out of the NVR. When we logged out, the top left camera should no longer be displayed in the live preview, according to the settings we've just configured. As expected, the system immediately removes the camera feed and replaces it with a message indicating that permissions are denied. But don't worry, while the camera is hidden from live view, it's still recording, assuming that you've obviously set up recording permissions, and you can still view the camera via the Cam2 mobile app or the web cloud interface. When we log back into the system, the camera feed will automatically reappear. And that's it. Easy and simple. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.